In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep muted by default in Zoom. If you're like me, you may have joined a Zoom meeting or webinar and realized your microphone was on when you didn't intend it to be. It can be a little embarrassing, right? Well, today we're going to fix that by ensuring that your microphone stays muted by default whenever you join a Zoom meeting. Let's go through this step by step so you can start joining meetings with confidence. First things first, open up your Zoom application. Once you have it up and you've logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that icon. This little icon is the gateway to your account settings, where we can make some important changes to give you more control over your Zoom experience. Once you've clicked your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you need to find and select Settings. This will lead you into a new menu that contains a variety of options to customize how Zoom works for you. Now, what you're looking for in this new menu is the section labeled Meetings and Webinars. It might take a second to spot it, especially if you've got a lot of settings to scroll through, but rest assured, it's there. Once you've found it, go ahead and click to enter that section. Great. You're now in the right place to make sure your microphone is always muted by default. Look for the option that says Keep my microphone muted. You should see a toggle switch next to it. Right now, that toggle is likely in the off position. By toggling this switch on, you're instructing Zoom to mute your microphone automatically each time you enter a meeting or webinar, meaning you won't have to worry about accidentally interrupting with background noise or any unintended sounds. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your settings so that your microphone is muted by default. This small change can make a big difference in how you experience online meetings and webinars, ensuring that you enter them without a hitch. Remember, if you ever need to unmute during a meeting, you can still do so with the click of a button. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. It's always a good idea to periodically check these settings, especially if you use Zoom on different devices, since settings may sometimes revert or not synchronize automatically. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your Zoom experience just a bit smoother. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Zooming.